today is just a short tip. Yesterday, I went for a ride, like 50 Ks, and then I went straight to have lunch with my family. I didn't have the time. But today, after riding 50 Ks by the sea, you know, there's a lot of salt on it. So that's one of the reasons that my saddle posts rusted. Because here in Rio, we have a lot of salt. But maybe in your country, you have dirt or, I don't know, snow. A good thing to do after every ride. I'm using baby tissue just to clean the frame and, you know, the basics part. And this one, it's made to take the grease out. So this one, I just gonna use in the greasy part. And I'm using this one, this alcohol, just for the rings. Because my front brake, it's making a little bit of noise, you know, when you brake. It's just simple, it's just pass around. You see here how this here is dirty? See, this is dirty. There's some sand in here. Just to take out the basic. Okay, let me show you something. I took the rust out, but it does come back, see? So we're gonna take at least this out, the outside. I need a new one, but mine is stuck in the post office. Maybe I'll buy a new one. Well, will be a basic clean, you know, not much. Just to take the salt out. Start with the top. It smells good. Well, already dirty. To take the basics, then I'm gonna put the alcohol, because alcohol takes all the grease out. I was gonna do a short video just showing you me cleaning my bicycle with baby tissues, and then when I look at my chain, oh, it was so greasy. So I decided to try this new hack. Yeah, what you do is get two brushes, put it together like this, see? Then I rubber band very tight. See, they get very together. Put it over here. Then put the other one here. So they're gonna be very tight. The greaser. And if I put it here, if I put it here. I'm trying. That's the first time we're gonna use it. Let's see. I put some newspaper in the bottom so it won't get dirty. Let's start with this part here. Put some degreaser. And move it around. I think for the middle part, it helps. But I think you still have to put some tissues on it. Yes. If you do it, then it gets very clean. See? If you do like 3 rounds of your... It's funny, isn't it? To get a toothbrush to clean your chain. It does clean. Okay, so you just do like this. And then you come with the tissue. It was so dirty. Well, gotta confess, it is clean. Yes, gloves. I'm a girl. Girls like clean nails. Yes, almost done, actually. I like it. What this does, it goes deeper than the tissue. You know, the tissue goes around, so it takes everything around out, but the brush goes deeper into the chain. And another thing you can do is pull one up and clean over here. I like this part. This is a very hard place to clean. Okay, I clean it, and Steve sent me a new Easy clamp to see if this one works. I think my clamp was very dirty, so it wasn't going out the way it should. So let's try. What the clamp does is it doesn't let it move too much, so it doesn't, when you tighten it, it doesn't go around, so it helps a lot. But right in the end, right before you close it, you have to do a little touch, because if not, it stucks in the back. Okay, so that's how it should go. Now let's see how it works. Yes, now it's working. So what I had to do is to clean inside. It was very dirty here. So now it's working. Thank you, Steve. You're very clever, man. This idea was fantastic. I love it. Very, very clever. So, baby wipes are good for the frame and rubbery part. A tissue that takes the grease out, it's working. It's dirty. Next to this part here, the brushes, it's great to clean your chain. And for the rim, just the rim, use alcohol, or if you have those disc brake liquid, those are the best. If you did like it, it's just a little tip. Thumbs up, and if you didn't subscribe yet, please do. And the little bell, yes, this little bell will tell you when the video is out, because I never had the right day, the right time. I went for a ride yesterday, a beautiful ride that I just posted. And I said, oh, I have to clean my bike. Since I had to clean it, let me show you to my friends. See ya, bye-bye.